Left, center, right is a simple dice game that you can get at the dollar store, but today we're playing it Lego style instead. The object is to take all of our 15 pieces, they're the same size and length even though we have different colors, and you want to build the tallest tower you can without it tipping over. The trick is, it's these little dice right here that's going to tell us where we place it. So for instance, we'll each take one piece that we want to start as the center. We're choosing a high difficulty. If you have younger children, you can have them start with a smaller piece instead. And then you're going to choose which piece you want next to put on it. I think I'll go with this one as my next piece. You ready? All right, now it's time to roll the dice. So each of us is going to grab ours, and then we'll roll it, and it's going to tell us where to put it. So I got mine on the right, so I have to put it on the right side of the tower. I realize it looks like your left, but it's our right. He got center, so he can put it anywhere he wants to recenter his tower. If one of us got left, we'd put it on the left side. You always have to put it on top of the piece that's on the top. So if I couldn't put another piece on here, it's always got to go on the closest one on the top is where you add to. So you've got your piece next. I'm gonna try, ooh, it's a big long one. I'm gonna try this one. If at any point during the game, by the way, you want to switch it out after you rolled the dice, this is kind of our trade pile in the center where you can do that once per game, but I'm gonna try a long one. So you ready? Here we go. I get a bye. Oh, both of us get a bye. So if you roll the circle, you don't have to add a piece at all. All right, next one. Center, bye. Thank goodness, because I was a little bit worried if I got 2 rights in a row, that could have been pretty dangerous. So I'm gonna put it up. A little bit more that way. Okay, next piece. I think I'm gonna try this one.
Keeping the same one because I got a bye.
Oh, that's right. Okay, here we go. Oops, that doesn't count. Oh, both of us got a bye. Okay, next row. Right, so I've got to put it on. I'm glad I shifted it a little bit more that way. That may keep me in on this game. Ooh. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna swap it and do it this way. Ah, okay, both of us are still standing. Next piece. I'm gonna go with this one. What's your next piece? What's it gonna be? So tricky to try and guess what you think you'll roll. All right, here we go. Bye. Ooh, a center. So he gets to put it anywhere he wants on the top of that one. Nice job. All right.
Tough this one is.
That's right. So next piece in hand. Ooh, you're going for your flat piece. Okay, here we go. Bye.
Bye.
Ooh, both of us get a bye.
Bye.
Another bye. Another bye. Oh, left. All right. Will it topple?
So this.
Yep. Ooh, he's going the perpendicular way. That helps a lot when you're already off balance.
Mine really isn't that much off balance, but...
Oh! All right, so I win. If you enjoyed this game, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.